So what are some of the best niches that you can get into on YouTube in 2022 if you want to make a lot of money per 1,000 views? If you want to have those juicy 40, 50, even $100 CPMs on your videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite high CPM niches for YouTube right now. So hope you're gonna enjoy, and let's get straight into it. So number 1 on this list is going to be crypto. As you guys know, crypto is absolutely blowing up right now, and it's been blowing up for quite a while. It's all on the news, everybody's talking about it, everybody's looking to get into crypto, and there are so many people on YouTube searching about different coins, different analysis, and just crypto news in general. So there is a lot of demand for this topic right now on YouTube, and yeah, there are a good amount of creators, but I think there is still a lot of room to grow. And if you can create really high quality videos covering crypto news or different coins or whatever, I think it is a great niche to get into in 2022. Now, the amount of money you can make from crypto videos is amazing. You can expect CPMs of 50 or even more dollars, and you can expect to make, anywhere from $20 to even $30 per 1,000 views on these crypto videos if they are over 8 minutes, and you can actually retain the attention of the viewer. So that's why I wanted to put it as the first recommendation on this list. So I would say if you are interested in crypto and you have some knowledge on it and you're looking to get into YouTube, it is a great niche to get into nowadays. So let's get into the second best high CPM niche for 2022, and that is going to be software tutorials. So as you guys might know, I've actually made some software tutorials on my channel, for example, about Premiere Pro and Photoshop. And these videos have amazing, really high CPMs as well. Software companies can pay a lot of money to acquire a new customer. So for that reason, a lot of people are advertising on these, and the CPMs are really high. So you can expect to make probably like anywhere from, again, $15, $20 per 1,000 views on your software tutorials if they are pretty long, and you can retain the viewers. So you can show them a lot of ads in these videos, and the CPM is going to be around $30 to $40. Obviously it also kind of matters what kind of softwares you make tutorials on. So I recommend making videos on either like creative softwares like Photoshop, that kind of stuff, or if you make videos about email marketing softwares or e-commerce softwares or finance softwares. All of these things are going to have amazing CPMs, and these videos aren't super complicated to do. The third niche on this list is going to be online business and finance in general. Obviously, the topic of money attracts more money, more advertisers, and for that reason, it is an amazing, great, high CPM niche. You can expect to make a lot of money in this niche as well, anywhere from, $15 to even $30 per 1,000 views, and CPMs of up to 50 or sometimes even more dollars. So it is another amazing high CPM niche. If you are interested in these topics, I think it is a good one to get into as well. And there is a lot of demand for it, right? Like as we went into lockdown last year, and some people are still in that this year, a lot of people realized how online business is actually amazing. The fact that you can do it from anywhere in the world, from your home, from your laptop. A lot of people, I think more than ever, are looking to start different sort of online businesses or ventures to make more money. And also a lot of people want to learn more about how money works in general, and how they can invest, that sort of stuff. So if you're into these topics and you have some knowledge on it, I think starting a YouTube channel on any of these topics is a great idea, and I'm sure you will find a good audience with your videos if you make them really good, and you will be rewarded for it in terms of AdSense revenue as well. So the fourth niche on this list is going to be tech and tech reviews. Now, tech reviews have been around for a long time, but now they are just as popular as they used to be, right? A lot of people, before they buy their new laptop, phone, even vacuum cleaner, or whatever kind of tech it might be, even cameras, they will watch reviews of those items on YouTube before they actually purchase it, to make sure that they buy the best item that they can for that money. For that reason, tech is another great niche. There is a lot of demand for it. A lot of people are searching for these tutorials, and a lot of companies are willing to pay big bucks to put ads in front of those kind of videos. So the CPMs can be anywhere from $20 to $30 usually in the tech niche, also depending on what item you review. view, but you can expect to make, you know, $10 per 1,000 views or even more on these sort of tech videos. And like I said, there is a lot of demand for a lot of these. It's pretty easy to rank tech review videos, so you can get a lot of views coming in from these search results and growing your channel. And you can also use affiliate links really easily with tech reviews with a program like Amazon Affiliate or something like that, and make a commission from every time someone buys that certain tech item from the link in the description of your tech review video. So tech is another great niche if you're into it. I think it's worth making some videos about the tech you own and the tech you're looking to get into and the tech you're looking to buy. And last but not least, the fifth niche on this list is going to be real estate. A lot of people are watching open house videos or just tips about how to buy properties, how to sell properties, how to finance or use loans. A lot of different topics you can cover around the topic of real estate, and it is another great high CPM niche. You can expect to get CPMs of over $30 from my experience in this niche. So another great niche to make a lot of AdSense revenue from. And if it is a passion of yours, I think real estate can be a good niche to get into going into the future as well on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick list, and I hope you found it valuable. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it, and also check out the channel for more content about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get more views, and just how to create better content in general. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.